Cannabis addiction is omnipresent. Cannabis, a plant, in general terms, a drug that has made several addicted. One name, many roles. Cannabis is also known as marijuana. Cannabis makes around 9% of its users addicted to it, according to a study in UK. Some researchers claim that 50% of its users have a control over it. Around 70 million Americans have consumed this drug, and a population of 2 million use it as a daily drug. Some compare cannabis habits with dependency on caffeine. When you try to stop cannabis consumption, you will come across some problems. You may experience irritation, restlessness, hallucinations, and intense dreams. However, the effect is mild, but will surely last for 3 to 4 days. The addiction phase can be self-destructive, as you may begin to lose focus in life and your zeal for life, because you continuously want to live in your state of absolute peace and calm. The biggest ongoing debate is, can marijuana be used as medicine or not? In certain centers it is used as medication, namely as an anesthetic. It is believed marijuana came to existence around 2nd century BC, as per a Chinese book of medicine. Chinese used marijuana as an anesthetic for more than 1,000 years. More than 100 papers were written stating the use of marijuana for various illnesses. Even today, marijuana has proved its uses in some common health problems. Till date, not even a single death has been recorded due to intake of marijuana alone. Use of marijuana is common amongst asthmatics. It helps them remain calm and could increase their life expectancy. Researchers in favor of use of marijuana claim that the medicine is unusually safe, and this is a winning streak in its favor. The ratio of a dose taken by a patient to an addictive person is 20,000 to 1. Marijuana has been proven to relieve migraine headaches. Keeping aside its medical uses, marijuana addiction is a common problem. Marijuana's medical use makes a person take more. For those who start using it for pleasure, it all starts when we take it for the first time and we feel relaxed and chilled out. For many people who have their daily agendas to deal with each day, marijuana suffices as the perfect antidote for a stressful life. Slowly, it becomes a habit, and cannabis addiction ensures that users are mentally trapped into it. Despite its helpful qualities, the addiction property of marijuana ensures that it's a debatable topic. If you are addicted to cannabis and are serious about quitting, then you will really want to look into hypnosis as a viable option. Hypnosis is now available online in handy hypnosis downloads. These hypnosis downloads are easy to use and download. You can also use them in the comfort of your own home and at your own pace. Getting the results that you both want and deserve have never been easier. So will you make the decision to make a success and quit cannabis today? The choice is yours. Make a start today. Hypnosis downloads can be found on many online websites, so if you are ready, you could even make a start today.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.